Everybody
Let's go!
ready?
Everybody ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
Vroom. Dapat may ganon. Vroom. Gaganon.
Okay, again.
Wait lang.
Oh, everybody ready?
Yes!
Then let's go. Huwag nyo nang palapitin si Larry, baka tamaan. Hindi mo nga katatama dun.
Hindi pa. Malayo. Oo.
Anong o?
Malapit na. Hindi sobrang lapit pero malapit na.
Doon sa motor mo.
Motor saan?
Ayan, sa likod.
Konti pa. Yan. Tama na.
Parang hindi.
Tama na pa. Tama na. Huwag mo nang isa agad.
Hindi, mahalalampasan natin yung motor. Ano ka ba?
Papa, when you go back here, can you
Tricycle kaya.
Hindi. Malayo din.
Malapit yung tricycle.
Pero may malapit na tao na naglalakad. May hawak na pink na stop toy. Kalimutan ko, tinted pala. Hindi tayo makikita.
Mama, why are you not using your phone?
Hindi ako nakakain ng lugaw. Na-enjoy ko yung lugaw dyan. O kaya maglugaw na lang ako. Magbenta na lang ng lugaw.
I want to.
Hot to the air.
Mama, I want to feel.
Chanlian.
Mama, you still have a chance to win the lugaw.
Oo naman, marami akong chance pagbenta ng lugaw. Perfect ko na nga yung pagluluto ng lugaw. Puro lugaw ang pagkain yun. Tapos, upgraded yung lugaw ko. May halong malunggay. Healthy. Diba? Luyang dilaw yung pampadilaw ko ng lugaw. Tapos,
Meron akong ma.
yung itsura mo ba?
Meron akong pinsan. So, everybody ready? Yeah!
Ano yung pinsan mo?
Hindi ko siya alam kung pinsan ko siya kasi hindi malinaw kung pamangkin siya ni yung mama niya, kung pamangkin ni mama o pinsan ni mama. Kasi medyo malayo silang kamag-anak. Just there.
Yan ang ako.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano. Diyan nakatira ko sa
Papa.
ano ba yan?
Papa.
Oh.
Casa, Eme.
Papa, are the Ethan go? The sun is
Ano
shining
yan?
now.
Carlina.
Papa, why when the sun is hiding in the
Clouds. O hindi kayo nakakita ng rainbow,
Fog.
no? Dito may rainbow na.
So, kung makakita ng fog.
Siguro nag-rainbow kanina.
Alam mo,
Sa Tanayma. Pero kanina pa dapat.
di ba sinabi ko na yun sa'yo kagabi pa? Sabi mo, tama na yun, nakapunta na experience na natin yun.
Nag-fog doon ng bahagya.
Alam mo, yung huling naka-experience ako ng fog na malapitan, ang kasama ko si Tito Carlo. Bata pa kami.
Sino si Tito Carlo?
Pinsan ko.
Si Carlo. Si Carlo na walang mahal.
Oh, that
Si Carlo na walang kasi.
looks like a man.
As in, nakikita ko yung fog papalapit sa amin, gano'n.
Binati ko.
Oo, okay, ate ko.
Ano sabi ko? Hello?
Papa, can we play a game while we are in the family trip? It's called
I Spy with My Little Eyes.
No.
Okay. Madaldal.
it's called it's called
Ano kaya pag niyaya kaya natin sila ko? Sasama kaya sila sa atin?
hey, it's called
Sige, siguro ni Daniel. Makakita siya ng
hey, it's called
Kaso si sure ako ang ingay-ingay nun.
Siyempre, hindi tayo magalit.
Papa, show Mama the book.
Ay, doon yun, ano.
Sino ba yun? Ako ba yun?
Ronaldo.
Si Lolo. Si Lolo nga. Si Papa yung medyo ano ngayon eh. Si Mama yung... Ay, mga halaman. Hello.
Ano lang pa sa naman?
Hey, Papa, I'm going to
Gusto ko kasi bumili ng halaman remembrance sana na pupunta.
Ganyan.
something, Mama.
Kahit anong gawin mo kung hindi ako
Wow,
makakapag-
Mama, there's a new version of Marty.
It's a dark world.
Ate.
The black.
Sinaantok ako.
I thought
Mag-video call na kayo kayo
I
Lolo
saw
para
Tom Marty. It's a
Mamaya na tayo mag-video call. Pambiyan, hindi pa naman tayo uuwi.
Papa,
eh,
I
para
want
naman. Ayun na nga eh, kasi hindi pa tayo uwi.
Sisend ko na lang yung picture
I-video call
natin.
nyo na para mapanatag na yung
excuse me.
Send ko na lang yung picture
Yes,
natin.
Can I tell Mama something?
Okay.
Oh, ayan. Na-send ko na yung picture natin.
Mama,
Oh.
can we play a game? It's called Guess the Word. I will give you a word and you have to guess the word.
Hindi nyo na tinignan yung view dito.
Letter.
Ayan o, Zio.
Diyan ako nagpagawa ng pinto.
Alam mo,
It's the farm again.
alam mo, nung huling nakakita ako ng farm,
Mama,
hindi pa kayo pinapanganak dalawa.
Mama,
Anong farm nakita mo?
Yung doon sa Batangas.
Mama,
Di ba nakakita ng farm dito?
Yung huling, as in, yung huling na, yung farm talaga na yung view na puro farm. Eh yan, dyan lang yung farm. Yung magkabila.
Mama, I'm gonna give you a word now.
Ano yun, Z? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
A letter now, okay?
Guess the word. Ang hirap naman yan.
Okay.
Kasi si Mira po mag-guess.
Okay, T.
T?
TNT.
Teka lang teka lang. T.
I'll give you a hint.
Tagalog.
I'll give you a hint.
Tagalog or English? Tit.
No.
Bang.
I'll give you a hint.
Time bomb.
No.
Wait lang pa, picturean ko tong farm.
I'll give
Ay,
you a
narangan mo naman to.
Oh, yan.
Mama, I'll give you a hint.
Sandali lang.
Ay, sorry. Ito na. Sure natin yung ating destination.
Give you a hint.
Baka kasi mali ako ng papa.
Biglang may bumaglot ng cellphone.
Garanti.
Mama, you're gonna drop it. Anyways, what I
T.
yes. Wait, I'll give you a hint.
Tagal naman kasi ng hint.
I'll give you a hint. Well, you're the one that's.
You're the one that what?
Tagal.
No, Mama, what she meant by that is Mama's the one who's not listening.
There's two colors, but I will only give you one.
T.
Yes. So
Okay, tama ang aking alam.
it's green, okay?
Tama ang alam.
3.
Oh, very good. Your turn. I'll give you a letter. It's
Tutuloy tayo.
C.
Ma, Maiiwan pa to eh.
No, C.
C as in cat or C as in Z?
C.
Z?
Zemira?
No.
Cat.
No.
Zebra.
C as in cat.
Zombie.
Ang hirap naman magtanong dito sa batang to.
You got it good. Anyways, so you have 1.1.
Ano kaya ang feeling nang nandun ka sa doon, no? Sa may ano?
Okay, we're still in easy.
Ganon.
Okay,
Ikot-ikot.
we're still in
Wind.
easy
Ano ba yung
mode.
tawag doon? Wind.
Pililya. Windmills.
We're still in easy mode.
Pwede bang lumapit doon sa mga wind?
Oo, di ba yung mga nagpipicture? Parang ano yan eh. Tower
Di ba
yan.
natural energy yan? Yan yung purpose ni Marcos. Kaya gusto niya ng mga wind. Ano? Ano yun? Next letter.
Next letter is
Next letter muna.
okay. It's going to be Y.
Ha?
It's going to be Y.
Why?
Yankee.
No,
Yellow.
Y.
no.
Yoink.
Yolk?
No. I'll give you a hint. Well, it is.
I think it's Y. Watermelon.
No,
E.
no,
Ako nga yan ang huhula eh.
no. Helping.
It's so hard. I'll give an easier one. Q.
No.
It's cucumber.
I'm going to give Mom a hint.
Okay.
It's a food that you eat, but it's like milk.
Yogurt.
Very good. Anyway, it's time for you. Your turn, son.
Galing ah.
So, it's
Letter muna.
Ang sarap bumiyahe ng umaga.
it's
Nakita ko yung kalsada.
T. Wait, no. M.
K.
Ano ito? P na walang M?
Okay, M. I'll give you a hint. It's a guy that wears green mask.
White guy.
Alam ko na yung sagot.
What?
Si Mask.
Ano to?
Si Mask.
Okay, 3 points for Mama.
Sino si Mask?
Si The Mask, si Jim Carrey.
Nanood kayo na.
Sila nila lolo. Sila tatlo nanood.
Very funny, but there's too many kissing.
Also, he was dancing with the money while the money was raining.
Naka ano din siya.
Anyways, next letter E.
Hindi na nga nagbibigay
Mama,
pa lang.
E.
Oo nga, nakikinig ako.
E.
I spy with my little eye. Something
Si, ang
colored
tagal mo.
pink.
Nakikinig ako. E.
Something colored
Ano yung
pink.
clue?
Sino bang kalaro ko? Macarius? No? You're not playing.
The blue.
Kawawa naman
Okay,
ako.
I'll give you a hint. It is a name.
Emily.
Emilia.
Sige na.
No.
Elbron.
There is.
Bro.
Ama, you're stuck with the Elbron.
It's called E.
Oh, E.
And it's with an E. Another E. And there's a letter in the middle.
Evie.
No.
V for murder drugs. Or E.
Ay.
Iyakin.
Si Mira, sabi mo, may dalawang E. Tapos may letter sa middle. Ibig sabihin, tatlo lang yung letters nun. Diba?
Yeah.
O, Eve.
Very good.
Sige na. Parang kasalanan ko pa.
Baba, it's your turn.
Ako na nga kinat mo eh.
Baba,
Tapos
it's
di ka
your
pa
turn. Okay.
Okay.
R. I'll give you an easy hint. It's a bank.
Robinsons.
It's not even your turn, Makar.
It's a bank, Papa. And it has 3 more words. I mean 3 letters.
RCBC.
Galing ni Zia, alam mo. Amazed ako dun sa mga pahula mo, Zia.
Kaya nga eh. Siyempre,
Okay.
ano po yun eh.
Fine. It's my turn.
Ano yun sa papa niya eh.
Okay.
I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a letter.
No.
M. Something that I watch and I have a plushie.
Eh di si N.
I said M.
Sabi mo kanina N eh. Gulo mo kasi magsalita.
Where did it go?
Z, ano yung sinabi mo sa akin kagabi? Si Ate Mikay merong leak yung heart niya.
Yes.
Oo naman si Ate Mikay.
Mikay.
Mikay nga. Classmate daw ni Kuya.
Sabi niya daw, my heart hurts.
May leak.
Yes, but she got
So she's sick?
yes,
Oo,
she
kaya
got-
wala siya nung program.
She got to
No, she was there.
Oh, wala, pero wala siya, di ba? Nanood lang siya.
Ano yung may leak sa heart niya?
Mama, you're the researcher. Go research.
Ngayon lang kasi kami nakarinig nung ganon. May leak sa heart.
Anyways, now
Tignan mo meron kayong similarity ng kuya mo. Yung mga friends nyo, may something sa heart. Di ba si Karen din, inoperahan din siya?
She has a hole.
Talaga?
Oo.
Karen has a hole in the heart.
no, she had her neck.
Ano kaya yun?
Kasi sabi mo dito, sa chest. So, ibig sabihin, dito banda sa heart. Meron daw siyang malaking sugat dito sa chest, sabi mo.
Yes, disgusting.
There goes that goofy,
Ako nga may malaking sugat sa sa tiyan eh. Disgusting ba yun? Doon ka lumabas.
Yeah, but
That's where you came out.
and I have a disgusting tooth.
What is that gas? What is that gas container doing? Completely rolling on the sidewalk.
Wow, he knows how to. He knows how to.
Iniisipin mo, Macarius, kung hindi niya pinagulong yun, kaya yun buhatin.
Ahem. Papa, it's your turn. This is your
Okay.
favorite one, where you always put in your mouth. It's okay. Now
It can't be letter V.
it's V.
No.
Yes.
No, you can't use that word.
Yes, I can.
No.
Just answer my question.
I won't answer.
It's a V word.
Oh, I know.
May nagtanggal ba ng seatbelt?
Si Z.
No.
I think I know what it is.
Right.
It's a boomerang.
No.
That's a thing, not a food.
It's a bread.
No.
Starts
Oh.
with a B.
And it's my favorite.
It's a violet
It's
food.
Vehicle Express.
No. It's not.
V-cut! Oh.
It's not a food. Yep. See.
Banana.
No.
She said it's not the food.
Violet
Sabi
Drink.
ko sa'yo, Z, makakarating tayo ng Pasig. Pero hindi ko mahuhulaan.
If you don't answer, then I'll say that.
No,
Yes.
I'll answer it.
Then answer it.
Sure.
It's a baked macaroni. Oh,
Hindi
yun.
nga daw food eh. It's,
Oh, I know what it is.
It's Varvy.
No, I know what it is. I know what it is. It's vape.
Bawal nga sabihin yung... kakainis talaga si Macarius.
No, it's not. That's a.
But Papa always puts it in his mouth.
No. You always put Whopper.
But that's not even V.
Oo nga.
Whopper.
Si Mira, you're tricking us.
Si Mira, next word na. Next word.
Okay. It's
Sino nang may Sino nang turn?
Mama. Okay, it's a thing that is.
Wait lang. Pwede ba mag-rule? Pwedeng si Papa muna, tas ako, tas si Kuya. Para hindi
There
nakakalito.
should be an order.
Okay.
O, tapos na si Papa, o. O, ako naman.
So, Mama, it's a thing that you always put in your mouth.
Lipstick.
Yes.
Wala pang ang letter eh. Dapat letter muna, nak, bago clue.
Anyway,
Kuya na.
Kuya, this is a thing that...
Letter muna, letter.
Kuya,
Enderman.
no. This is a thing...
Puppy playtime.
No.
Hindi nga ikaw yung maghuhula.
This is a thing that you love. And it starts with a letter.
Z.
No.
M.
No.
Ano?
And
Yeah! We have a winner! Now,
Ako kaya yung winner. Ako yung maraming points.
oh yeah. Here.
What's M?
Anyways,
Sige,
What's
yung
MC?
dal niya.
it's medium.
and from Murder Girl.
It's medium.
My plushie.
It's medium mode. Okay. Here. This is
Papa na, papa.
Ayoko nga, ba't ako pa unahin? Ikita mo kurbada yan.
Papa, this is a thing that you all that
Can I do hard mode?
this is a thing that it's always in a house. And it gets everyone out because it's so woody. It starts with the letter F.
Fire?
No.
Si Mir, hindi nga ikaw manghuhula. Ang kulit mo naman eh.
Papa?
Is it me?
No.
Anong letter?
It's F.
Letter first. Give the letter
F
first
daw,
before you
F.
give clues.
Well, the
Food.
blue- No.
It said it's so woody.
Yes, you put it in your house.
Gets ko na. Alam ko na sagot.
What?
No, Papa. No cheating.
Alam ko na nga. Kaya pumulong dyan, mali yung sagot mo.
So, yeah.
Paano daw yung F na woody? Ano daw yun?
Woody.
Woody. Woody.
Put it. It's like,
What's F?
yes. I told you medium is hard. Look around
Medium na pala tayo.
look around the roads. And then you'll see something.
Oo. Ako, nagets ko na mga Z. Kaya,
Okay.
Feather.
No.
It said woody, Papa. Woody.
Okay, I'll just if it's hard for you,
Ganda rin yan mga pre.
if it's hard for you, I'm gonna give
Talaga
you
naman.
I'm going to give you one more word. It's a. Wait, no.
ha?
It's a. Fe.
F-E.
Yes.
Fetch.
No. Go Papa, you can do it. Okay, fine. I'll give you 3 more.
What's the letter?
N.
Eh?
Fe.
N. N.
Fe.
Fendi.
No.
Ay, nako. Pa. Ano ba?
Ah.
What? I don't know.
But the fence is woody.
Oh, fence.
It's made out of wood.
Okay.
But we don't have woody fence.
Oh, no point si Papa. Oh.
So I got it.
Eh, narinig mo kayo makayos eh.
Well. Yes, ano?
Oh, next. C. Ako na.
Anyway,
Ay, nasa gitna sila.
this is where you put the boxes. And it's a beagle.
Letter
Bacon?
first. Letter first.
Yeah.
Letter first Z. What's the
Okay.
first letter?
T.
Always say the letter first
Truck.
before the...
Okay.
Ano daw?
1 point.
Where you put, it's a vehicle where you put box. Edi truck.
You can put
Anyways,
box in any vehicle. Even in
your turn, Kuya. It's here. It's like a campfire, but it's not campfire. And it's with the letter T. What is it? What is it, Kuya? What is it? It's a snake.
Alam ko na siguro. Letter T. T.
D?
T. As in teeth.
It's not it, Kuya.
What again?
It's campfire.
But it's not.
Yeah,
Ano?
on a stick.
Very good. Ito, wait.
Torch!
What? Anyways,
1 point pa lang si Kuya Mukay.
no.
Last
Gugutom
1
na ako.
point.
Para
Ang
sulit yung kain.
Anyways,
Actually,
okay.
pupuntahan.
Kasi 1 o'clock na pa kayo nagugutom na ako.
It's like,
Actually, ma.
hey,
Pupuntahan natin pa sa
Papa!
Hindi, kainan eh. Maghanap ka na nga ng along the way na kainan.
Dito, along the way.
Papa!
O dun sa Marikina.
sige. Wait lang na I'm just so
I don't want to be patient.
Ano yun? Ano?
So, sige. Saan tayo kakain kung hindi ako magsa-search?
You need to be patient.
Laging ano to ha? Laging ano to?
Ay, hindi nauubos ang kurbada dito.
What's the thing again?
Sige. Next time magsa-south naman tayo.
Papa.
Sa birthday ni Mama.
Parang maganda, pero ano pa?
Yes, anak. What is it?
It's where you live. But it's not.
House.
No.
Sunshine.
No.
Afable.
No. I'll give you the letter A and I'll give you a clue. It's
Apartment.
Apat sa patse. Apat sa patse. Apat sa patse.
Ba't hindi na lang kasi Z, ano na lang, paunahan na lang.
Wait, can
Baka
I give you guys a riddle?
I'm not going to play.
Oh, yan na naman yung riddle na yan.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
I'm not going to play anymore if you're like that.
O sige na, hindi
Oo
na.
naman eh. Oo naman yan
It's
eh.
a place where you
She's
feel.
working so hard to think of
Etong pupuntahan natin, ano siya, para na siyang pasyalan, pero kainan. Parang ganun.
It's a place where you've been, but in real life, it's not.
Kung makakano.
It's not there.
Tingnan mo na yung direction. Anong lugar yan? Marikina?
Marikina.
Ma,
General Orondes, corner Maroon
Excuse me,
Street,
Mama.
Marikina.
excuse me, Mama.
Mas mura yung pagkain dito kaysa dun sa una kong tinignan.
Can I give you a riddle, Mama?
Ayos, wait lang. De-decide kami ni Papa kung saan kakain.
It's a place where you've been, but in real life, it's empty and dim.
Do you think
That's the greatest riddle I've ever made up, okay? I'll give you a hint. When it's nighttime, in your head, it's bright time.
Magugutom ka na, tapos yung brain cells mo gagana pa, ano?
Ilang gano'ng katagal, ma?
Wait lang.
Wala ka ba signal?
May wait lang. Si Macarius kasi.
Not, never mind. I'm not giving up hints. You solve it yourself. Talking to Mama.
51 minutes. Start. Got it.
So,
Allow.
Anyone know what I'm talking about? It's a place where you've been, but in real life.
Head west on Quezon Avenue. In 600 meters, turn right.
Hey,
50 minutes pa. Nandun na tayo.
You are on the fastest route despite some traffic.
I know.
You should reach your destination by 1:57 p.m.
I know. Kasi I know things.
I'm going to know.
Yes.
I know routes.
Ano yun? Parang ang ganda dun.
Why can't
Why can't you? Ano yan?
Can I just
Ronan Supermarket.
Hey, I'm gonna do something. Mama, it's your turn.
Ano ba yan? Friday? Oh.
Mama, it's your turn.
Oh, ano na?
It's a place where you've been.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
It starts with a D. And
D as in donut.
No, it's not. It's not a food. It's a.
Kaya nga D as in donut.
Yes.
Oh.
It's not a food, but it's a person.
Daniel.
No.
Doctor.
No.
Dentist.
No.
Donut.
Detective.
No. I'm going to give you one word.
Okay.
Duck.
No.
Person nga ba?
I don't play with the window. Papapapay ko kayo.
I'm going to give you one word. There's two words. So, dead.
Turn right.
Ha?
Wala
It's
naman.
dead.
Straight.
Dead.
Dead?
Yes.
Hmm?
And I will give you one.
And
Dead.
Sabi mo person, di ba?
It's not dead and it's
Person, di ba? Person.
corpse.
no. Could you be quiet? No hints.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
It's dead and P.
Dead person.
No. It's P-O.
Police.
No.
Dope.
No. Fine.
D tapos P. Ano ba yun?
P.
Ano daw?
P. P-O-O.
Deadpool.
Deadpool! That's my favorite superhero.
He's not even a superhero.
And what is he?
He was a villain at certain point.
And then,
There was a time he was a villain.
Ako nga nagka-crush sa villain eh.
Then what is he?
Clue. Mahaba ang buhok niya. Black. Parang pang commercial ng shampoo.
Long-haired villain.
no one. Deadpool is the one that sings.
Oh, is this a live action or anime?
Green.
Anime.
Sa Ghost Fighter.
Papa.
Hindi.
He's Deadpool.
Pero, ang una kong naging crush, si Vincent talaga.
Hey.
Hindi tao ang una kong crush.
Excuse me.
Yes!
He's the one that sings. I don't wanna see you.
Bye, bye, bye.
Ay, hindi ko alam yan. NSYNC.
Deadpool nga.
Oh, hindi ko nga alam yun. Nakinanta niya yun. Hindi naman ako nanood ng Deadpool.
He did not sing that, anak. He just danced.
Why?
Ano tayo?
It was CG5.
Para saan tayo?
Teresa.
I don't
Si
wanna
Kumars.
see you
Teresa.
out that door. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Anyway,
Anay Kainta.
Mama, it's your turn.
Ano?
Tanay
Ako
kayo
na naman.
tayong jeep.
Hey.
Anay
Yes.
in Macarius.
No. It's B actually.
B as in Papa.
No. B.
B as in boy.
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna give you a the hint is it is
The clue is...
Nak, let's pause muna daan. Kasi this is the crucial road na yun. Mama, huwag mong harangan yung side mirror.
we have to pause for a long time.
Mag-enjoy ka kaya muna ng beauty.
Look at the view
I'm
on
gonna
your
hold my
right.
breath until we're up there.
Look at the view. It's amazing. It's an amazing view. Paano ko gagawin yung
Do you get
ano?
me? I see.
Paano ko gagawin yung walang gas? Control lang din. Patak.
Then Papa, who's the
In
one?
300 meters, turn left.
Then Papa, who's the one that sings? You know, I don't want to sing.
Huh?
I don't wanna see you walk out the door. Bye-bye.
Who's the one that
NSYNC. Tama si Kuya. It was a boy band name.
Take the next left.
Yung ano, yung nasa Trolls. Member yun ng NSYNC.
It's, yeah. The lead singer is Justin Timberlake. He's one of my favorite singers.
Continue for 4
My
kilometers.
favorite singer is CG5.
Who?
CG5.
Sino yun?
Sino ba yun?
Is that the one who sang, ano yung gusto niya? Cutie Pie?
Hindi.
No.
What's your favorite song?
Honey Pie.
Song?
Honey Pie.
Honey Pie?
Yeah.
Is that the one he sang?
No.
No, he's a boy.
Baka
Boy
singer
naman
lang
yung
talaga
sing
yun.
ng ano ah.
Hindi, baka singer, content creator na singer.
I need a break from all this curve. Mama. I admit this.
What is that?
Okay, what's your turn?
One day there was
It's okay. P. It's not Bobby Clayton.
Tato.
It's not Bobby Clayton, okay? Even though I think it's not Bobby Clayton.
Tato.
No.
Later na lang ako magjo-join anak sa gay kasi I need to focus on driving.
Yata.
There's a lot of curvy,
Give you a hint.
curvy curve. Curvy curve.
No,
And then
I'll give you a
lots
hint,
of,
Kuya.
how come every time I come on the bridge when I go
I don't
down,
want to
la,
make
la,
it
la,
like
la,
that,
la,
Kuya.
when I go down like
Ito na naman. Dito ba tayo dumaan nung nakaraan pa?
Yes, it's true.
No.
Alam mo, sabi ko, mga after 2 years ko ng pagmamaneho sa ako dadaan dito. And yet, here we are.
Pio.
No. P-I-L-O.
Yung mga matatagal nang ang driver.
There's a
Takot
lot
dito
of
eh. Si Vince ayaw nung nagdadrive.
I-
20 years na. Ay, hindi naman. Ay,
Pile.
diba? Ano siya, 40 years old.
Pile.
Pilo.
Oo, tama nga naman yung spelling niya. P-I-L-O.
No, it's not. Anyways, Mama. This is M.
about me, you don't know me.
I love my potato.
That's me. Kasi siya si Madede siya, diba?
So, potato.
I'm Padede. She's Madede.
Potato. Wait, no. Mars.
Yes, Mars.
Do you know that those trees look like
We're here at Tips.
Mars?
Z, naantok ako.
Mars.
Later.
I'm going to play Ice Spy.
Ano na, nagde-decline na yung sugar ko, Z.
I'm going to play Ice Spy.
Parang alam ko na kung saan tayo kaka.
I spy with my little
Anong oras?
eye.
1:20.
Red.
My shirt.
No.
Kasi antipolo na to.
That red
Pinto,
shop.
art museum.
Anyways, I spy.
Pa, hindi tayo dyan.
I something.
Hindi gusto kong dalawing ano
Yellow.
anak may. Wag na, next time na lang.
Oh, you missed it.
Cheesy and semada.
I spy with my little eye. Something.
Black. The car.
Something white.
Saan tayo bibiling regalo?
Marikina na.
Clouds.
Okay. I spy with my little eye. Something.
Traffic. Ay, isa na.
Sky.
Baba ni Vince yan.
That thing.
Si-
The yellow.
Pisces.
No.
Yan, sa this. Diyan ang
The blue roof.
No.
yung nag-chat ka na nagluto ka ng bake mo. Kasi may mga paninda siyang lechon roll. Gusto mo ba nun, ma? Lechon roll.
Anyways.
Yan ang kasi
I spy with my
malalit.
little eye. Something.
Eh, lechon naman eh. Porky.
Lechon?
Wow.
Your face.
Unless chicken lechon, di ba?
No. Something brown.
Hindi, hindi naman lahat ng... Di ba may lechon?
Roast.
Ma?
Roast.
On the
Hindi, pero yun ano siya.
green stuff.
Pork.
Trees.
Pero hindi siya
What's
veg.
in here? I don't know.
Ayoko po. Hindi ako fan ng lechon.
Ako din.
Brown.
Pero hindi
Lechon
siya...
paksiw, oo. Pero lechon.
Pero hindi siya lechon na ano ay.
Anyways,
Kasi
I
mag...
spy with
Di ba ang
I
lechon?
spy with my little
Dry.
eye. Something round.
Hindi. Ang lechon pa juicy.
Maano na. Ito na
Straight
yung...
lang. Straight tayo.
Hindi. No. That's where you're wrong.
Could you guys...
Dito ba tayo dumaan galing tayo ng ano? Tay-tay?
Tickets. Wow, there's a lot of tickets.
May nakilala ko. Pinakala namin ito.
I don't like this. Papa, is that
Oh, dito tayo dumaan pa uwi, ma.
got that for you.
Kasi nga doon tayo galing ng Teresa. Ayoko naman, Teresa.
Bakit ang
No,
likot
it's
yung
your turn
dalawa?
for I spy.
Kayo ba naka-seatbelt pa? Si Mira hindi na.
I am seatbelt.
Pero nasa labas ka na ng seatbelt. Tama ba yan?
Kailangan nakakross sa body mo yung belt, Z.
The seatbelt should be belting you.
Kasi kung hindi, walang use yan.
I don't get you. It is cross.
Yeah. Okay, you don't get mama, but I know you know how seatbelt should be worn properly.
Donkey.
Kailangan nakaganon siya sa'yo. Nakaganon siya dun sa legs mo, tapos nakaganon siya sa chest mo.
Legs?
Diba? Ayan o. Nakaganyan. Pabi, ganyan.
It's
What
tummy.
it is?
Chili pa mo nga.
Tama na. Inaantok ako.
If you be on Tokyo, you're not going to eat. Okay, Goya. You can say
Owzy.
you can say a word, a letter. It's
Di ka nga makapasok eh. Sisenyasan mo pa.
Skibidi. Toilet.
Macario, sabot mo ba yung cheese bread sa likod?
No.
You are on the fastest route despite some traffic. You should reach your destination by 2:04 p.m.
Huh? Ay, hindi pala. Riverbanks pala to. Yung sa Yama.
Ayan o. Oh.
I know. Sabi ko na eh. Kurbada na naman yan eh.
Macario, sabutin mo na yung cheese bread.
Pero na, mag-drive na ako sa...
Habang traffic.
You gotta take a little
I'm not doing that, Kuya.
Ooh. A little time to think things over. Mama,
Get the cheese bread.
huwag kang bibili ng
Get
Pios.
the cheese bread or else.
Ng kahit anong sedan.
Then I'm not.
Wala naman akong balak bumili ng mabab. Gusto ko ano.
I will lick you if
Pick
you
up.
don't get that cheese bread. You're too short.
Ako sa Toyota, ito talagang kotse na to ang pinaka-gusto. Race.
Mga ano, Ford.
1 million to yung 1.2. Ang problema kasi, kung ito ang bibilin mo, 1.2 din ang expander. Ang expander mas
Kuya, spray ba to?
mas useful. Mas malaki. Mas malaki nga yun. Mas maraming ang naisasakay yun kesa Fortuner.
Whoever wins will
Magkano ba Fortuner?
say the letter
Mahal.
that I can say.
Hindi naman.
1 point something. 6, 8.
You just cheated again.
Cheated.
Hey. I'll touch this.
Kayo si Mira, mag-babe na nga kayo.
No. Anyways, let's Kuya, let's do a commercial. Oh, hey man, are you riding this taxi too?
No!
Yes, you are.
Ano kayo, grab share? Pag biglang lumabas yung pupo mo dyan, Zee, bahala ka. Nakaganyan lang.
Oh no, my poo-poo lapag. No, it's a bug. Ouchie. Ouchie. Mini poopy. Ouchie. Ouchie poopy. Ouchie. What?
Z! Stop talking about wet or else
My puwet.
I'll bite your wet.
You
Ayan,
can't
ba't
bite it.
pa puro pet yung topic?
Because in a poopy.
Alam mo, Macarius, nung nasa tiyan pa kita, pag nakakanood ako ng wrestling na babae yung naglalaban, nagkikik ka.
I don't really like girls that much. That's why.
Tapos kapag napapatingin ako sa babae na malaki yung puwet, nagkikik ka din.
Mama!
Poopy, poopy, puwet, poopy, yum, yum. I think I made a poopy. I think I made a poopy. I made a poopy. No diaper funny. Poopy poopster. Yummy Lego.
In 200 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit onto
Bigay
El
lang ako
Simulon
talagang
Memorial Circle.
mag-change din eh. Bigay na kayo.
Lucky poopy. Yummy. Yummy poopy. Yum, yum. Yummy poo-poo.
Diyan kami bumibili ng isda ni Bims.
Ice cream poo-poo.
Ayos sa look, oh. There's a pet shop.
And top all
There.
in people pets.
Ay, may mga sakitong isda dyan, eh.
I want a frog.
Long frog dyan na, at saka malang frog, 20,000.
Paano kapag nanghuli ka ng frog sa wilderness? Tapos ginawa mo.
Ay, sa ano ma, di ba nung, ay wala, di ka pala nag-zoology sa PCC, no?
Pa,
I want a rain
nag-dissect
frog.
ako ng frog
Pusa.
2 beses.
Sa amin, ano na, frog na yung pinaka, ano, ng zoology. Main.
Zoo 1, frog.
Bakit? Ilan ba zoo mo?
Zoo 2,
Hindi, kasi ano kami, zoo 1, tapos botany.
I think I make a poopy.
Ay, hindi, talagang, isa lang ang ano, zoo 1, kasi nung nag-zoo 1 kami, pinapili kami kung zoo, parang elective siya eh. Kung zoo ba or botany, pinili namin zoology.
On the rainforest frog, I'm gonna
Zoo 2
try to
ko,
I'm gonna take it.
shark, baby shark. Tsaka ano,
Baby shark.
tsaka pusa.
Baby shark.
Si mama pa nga yung shark ko, minsan, si mama yung ng formalin, nag-i-inject.
Why do you have a shark?
Ew!
Pero yung pusa, talagang ako talaga yung nag-i-inject. Doon ako sa terrace nag-i-inject, kaya minsan yung mga dumadaan napapatingin sa taas kasi ang baho niya nga. Ng formalin.
Eh, mas mabaho ang yung bangkay.
Ay, hindi na ako umabot doon. Pang lang yun, pang dentistry. Tsaka
I think I make
biology.
a poopy. Yum yum. Poop poopster. Yummy poopy. Yum 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 yum.
I can't believe it.
Oh, I love my pet. It has so many poopy. Yummy. So many poo poo. Yummy.
Nakakaiyak yun, yung halfway, nabulukan ka ng pusa.
Yum 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 yum.
Bakit gaano ba katagal?
Uulit ka nun.
So yung ini-inject yun ba or pinapahid or what?
ini-inject.
Ang hirap.
Bumagsak ako dun eh.
Kami, Palaka na yung pinaka-finals namin.
Dati sa sobrang
Tas
ko
ano
sa
yun,
Palaka,
ma?
kinakamay ko na
Bumibili kami sa
Mama.
Pasig Catholic Cemetery.
Oh,
Mama, do kittens have to be injected?
hindi. Mga dead cats yun. As in full, malaking cat.
Good.
Tigos mo.
Ayan,
So, Mama,
Tapos dinadala ko pa yon every sasakay ako ng di ba? FX. Grabe.
Mama,
dapat nasa parang closed, parang
Siyempre maaamoy din yun ng ng mga kasakay mo.
Mama, are they
May malaki kang
parang Tupperware.
hindi pa naka-duffel bag siya. Ganun siya kalaki. Ganun
Ay!
kahaba, oh.
Hindi ko, ting. Pusa.
Pusa nga.
Siya.
Ano sabi
Ang
ko?
laki nga.
Ganun siya kalaking bag, na duffel.
Tapos, nung...
Imaginein mo yung bag na dala natin. Diyan yung brown. Yun, ganun.
Sa amin, si Ate
Kasi
Jack,
naka-stretch out siyang ganun eh.
si Ate Jack yung bumili ng palaka, pang amin ang lahat. Kung ilang
Mama.
groups kami. 20
Mama.
pesos isang sako.
Mama,
Pero, syempre hindi isang sako yun. Parang,
two
kung ilang ng
cats,
groups kami.
two kittens grow up.
Parang 7 yata yun. Tapos nilagyan ni Doc.
do.
Nag-improve mo ba si Doc Dick?
Mama, Mama,
Si, lang,
Ano nga ba apelyido nun nito?
bagadyo.
excuse me.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi, doktor siya ma.
Excuse
MD.
me.
Sino nga yung babae
Excuse
na
me.
Miss Butcho.
Excuse me.
Ano?
Mama, can Can we take sunshine when we open?
Hindi.
Ano daw?
May pusa kasi siya nilalaro. Si Sunshine.
Junior. Sunshine Junior.
Vice Junior. Sinong senior? Sinong OG na Sunshine?
Si Semira.
He's just so cute.
Z, why are you asking Mama if kittens...
Una sa lahat, Semira, hindi nyo nga maayos si Mondi sa bahay. Magdadala ka pa ng kuting.
No, just in Papa's house.
Mama, I've been asking.
Hindi.
Mama, I'm not going to ask you yet. It's not. It's. Even though I'm going to down on you,
Tanong?
Mama.
Tanong ko.
Mama, if we open a cat
Cafe.
cat cafe,
Mm.
I want kittens only.
You can't do that. That's discrimination.
Why?
Cat cafe nga pa eh.
Anong cat cafe? Yung parang po, ano?
Ano niya, nakita niya kasi yan dun kay Komi. Meron dun parang cafe na may mga pusa sa loob. Wait nga.
Is that the goofy boy? Is that the blue goofy boy from Monsters Incorporated? In the clouds.
Sa Japan meron ganun eh, cat cafe. As in, totoong cat cafe.
Paanong cat cafe?
Eh di may mga pusa doon, tas cafe shop siya, pero may mga pusa. Uy pa, ano ba?
Visit na
Lapit mo.
Visit na yung mga kotse sa likod.
Oh, jeez. Z, why are you asking
Kung
Mama?
walang pasok ngayon, daanan natin sila Mitch. Sana.
Z,
In 400 meters,
why are
turn
you
right onto
asking
Simulong
Mama
Highway.
earlier? Mama, do kittens grow? Don't you know anything about
Ano yung
growth?
question mo, Macarlos? Do kittens grow?
Si Zemi lang nga nagtanong.
Don't you know anything about growth? Z.
Ano ba?
And do you know that you're 7 years old? You're still shorter than me.
Tama ako, di ba? Di ko
Take the
tinignan.
next right onto Simulong
I
Highway.
know, B.
So, yung isang instructor doon sa ang pangalan niya, Richie. So, magkausap
Siya yung
sila.
may-ari ah.
Oo. Hindi kasi nung, narinig ko sila nag-uusap nung kausap niya.
Continue for
So,
10
may kausap
kilometers.
siya. Syempre, pareho sila nag-i-English. So, ang rinig ko sa kanya, Rich. Akala ko sa kanya, bitch. Akala ko, nagtatawagan sila ng bitch.
Mama, ha?
0.
Wala nang chance.
Papa, what?
Diyan kami namamalengke ni Vince. Alam mo si Vince ma? 12 minutes lang mamalengke. Hindi kami pwede. Kasi ako window shopping talaga ako mamalengke. Makaris, wag mo i-ano yung upuan. I can feel it. Pwede mo
Ako
na
din, hindi ako pwedeng kasi nagka-canvas ako bago bumili.
Ay, hindi. May suki ka. Kasi siya, tas alam na niya kung saan mura, saan yung may magandang ganito, may magandang ganyan.
Alam mo kasi pa, kahit may suki ka na, minsan talaga, hindi rin maganda yung bagsak lagi sa suki mo.
Maliit lang kasi yan, kaya kita mo kagad, isang lane lang yung mga baboy, isang lane lang yung kaya pagdaan mo, alam mo kagad kung saan may maganda.
Uy! Toto.
Kaya pala. So kapag nagbabagal yung nasa kanan, yama, wala na, inom, ay, minaklas na talaga. Inuman na may video okay. Kaso nagsarado na yun.
Alam mo nung kailan ba yung unang beses na pumunta ako ng Kila Mitch. Yung sabi ko yung yung muntik na kaming maaksidente nung yung sinasakyan kong Grab. Paano ba naman kasi parang galing dito pag ganun siya. Tapos tapos eto. Yan, parang yung senaryo kanina, may nandito, tapos may nandito. Tapos biglang may nagmadaling gumanon. So, di niya.
Assumption na.
Buti na lang, mabagal lang magpatakbo tong kasi yung nandito, yung nasa unahan niya, mabilis magpatakbo. Buti na lang yung Grab, yung sakyan ko, medyo mabagal pa siyang magpatakbo. Kung hindi, bumangga kami dun sa nandun sa may right side nung nasa gitna.
Mama, why do you want Tita Mitch to come to our house?
Kasi si Tita Mitch gusto niya kaming makabanding ni Tita Kay. Kaso hindi nagtatagpo ang mga schedule na. Ewan ko kung matutuloy kami bukas. May sakit daw si Teo.
Unless ikaw pupunta doon.
I want to see Teo.
Stay on. Asawa ni Tia.
The boy.
Si Teo.
Hindi ko alam kung gusto kong pumunta.
Sorry.
Mouse day.
Gusto kasi nilang pumunta sa SM Bikutan. Naku, ayoko na. Layo-layo.
Dapat. Who's day?
Anak niya.
How old is he?
Yun na.
Naalala mo yung bata na pumunta, yung baby boy na pumunta ng birthday ni Z? Yun si Mateo. Yung yung babae nakasing tangkad ni Zemira, si Matea yon. Ano ba yan? Nagbagal tapos hindi naman Gil's Garden ka.
Kaya mahirap mahirap yung ang sinusundan mo ang pasahero. Lalo na pag jeep, walang pakialam yun. Kahit sa gitna, yung kakahinto niya lang, hihinto ulit siya.
Goat for sale. Goat for sale.
Okay, dito. Okay, let's take a moment of silence. Dahil dito sa spot na to, maraming
Papa, what's my happy place?
Sabi mo dati, Mary Grace.
No.
So what's your happy place now? I don't know.
My happy place is the thing where we can when Kuya wasn't with us.
Ay, oo. Ano nga ba yung pinunta? Naalala mo yun, ma?
Oo, fuel.
Feeling.
Filling station.
Sige, next time.
Yeah.
Traffic kasi dun eh. Tsaka ang hirap ng parking dun.
Wala nga ako nakita ng parkingan. Sides lang. Uy, pa.
Mga abusado. Mga mananamantala. Bawal yun eh. Pumunta tama yung
And do you remember we ate in
Sabihin
that?
na naman ako.
Papa, do you remember we ate in that big restaurant?
Is that still your happy place?
Yes. Where we all
Where's your stuffed toy from the happy place?
in vacation.
Huh?
Indication.
Oh, yun. vacation. Ito maraming masarap na kainan dito. Sa murang highway.
That's a very old happy place.
Ay talaga ba? Nagsisikwenta ako sa murang highway. Parang dito ka kailangan reflect mga desisyon sa buhay.
Papa, when can we go to my happy place? Because Kuya wasn't there.
Bakit nga ba wala si Kuya?
He was at Lolo's.
No, I think he was at school. Tama ba, ma?
No.
Umalis tayo, nasa school pa siya. Ba't ba na, or sick? Nasa ba si Kuya Macarius na?
At Lolo's.
No, I think...
Kaya kay Lolo nga.
Oo, pero why? Di, parang may pasok siya nung umalis tayo eh.
Date?
Kasi hapon tayo
Di
umalis.
siya, di talaga siya sumama.
Ayaw niya talaga. Sick siguro siya. Or ano ba? Look at your left.
What?
There's a beautiful view at your left. Here.
Bakit naman gano'n? Biglang namatay yung puno niya sa part na yun.
Eh, season na niya ng pagpapalit ng dahon.
Talaga, isang hilerang gano'n, season
Eh
nila.
kasi pare-pareho sila. Kumbaga nagmumotor din naman ako.
Are we in the restaurant?
Fatima University.
Papa, can we play in the place where we're going to play? Where's it?
Anong oras na?
147.
Ano ba tayo ng 1:57? Live ba pa? Tingnan mo.
Is it going to take long? Because if it's going to take long, I'm going to sleep.
O sige na anak, sleep ka na. We'll
Medyo.
just wake you up. Ilang minutes pa?
Hindi naman sinabi.
Palagay dyan kung ilang minutes pa. Hindi mo ini-start, no?
20 minutes.
Ini-start mo ba?
Kaya nga nagsasalita eh.
Please continue on Similong Highway for 100 kilometers. Ano sabi niya ba?
Yeah. Ganda ng puno. 19 minutes.
Seconds na. Preno.
Tignan mo yung left side mo, Makarius.
Zilo ko.
I'm trying to
Sorry. Just trying to show you a good view.
where?
Keepers. Pagdating doon, puro building na. Oh.
Are we going?
Ay, may dadaanan tayong castle.
Wow.
Oh.
Ayun o, look. Ayun
It
o.
looks like Disneyland. Is that Disneyland?
No, not really.
It's a hotel for rich people.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yan dati, tapos naging model. School siya dati.
School dati, pero ganun yung tsura.
Bakit?
Ano yan? Harry Potter.
By the way, Papa, why is
Parang
there?
ikaw pa, di ba? Kung sa Castillo ka nag-aral, di ka pa si Pamit. Kaya nga mainggan mo dito. Why do you wanna go to school? To the castle. Castle.
Sesame. O, tapos maganda yung mga uniform nila, no?
Dati si, when I ask you, who's your
Parang si
papa?
Anya.
You say, Papa Jimmy. Papa Jimmy Modohor. Who's your papa? Si.
Papa Jimmy on your phone.
Papa Jimmy? Kaya dati ang tawag sa'yo, ikaw si Chimira. Kasi you're the daughter of Papa Jimmy. Papa Jimmy Modohor.
I need Pumak. It's so malamig.
Dapat kasi mga pinasuot mo na yung jacket.
Madumi na nga yung jacket na yun.
Super dumi.
Alam mo ba yung hindi pa napupunasan na lamesa, ginanunan niya ng jacket?
Diretso ba tayo?
Yan.
Diretso.
Walang didiko. Pero pahit na yung sugar.
I'm fine. If you won't let me, I'll just use this towel.
Mira, wag mo gamitin yan.
That's wet. That's not
wet.
gonna help you.
Look. I'm not using the wet towel.
Diba nang pumunta tayo? Tapos, ang kasalubong natin dun sa parkingan si yung asawa ni Ate Jo. Pwede na ako magkahan. Di, wala na yung sakyan. Hindi, nasa na yung sakyan nyo? Ito, ay, di ko amin yun. Rentahan lang namin. Kaya pag ako nagkaroon ng sasakyan, sasabihin ko, wala po akong sasakyan.
Yan ma, siguro yan na lang. Smart choice, expanded.
Mama, look at me. Look
Ang
at me.
family.
Look.
Kaysa ayan mo, gigigil talaga ako sa videos.
Look at me. I'm so kawawa. Look. Look at me. I'm so kawawa. Mama, look.
Kita mo ba? Papatignan mo.
Sa
She's so
Mulong Highway for
kawawa.
1 hour and 15 minutes.
12 minutes na lang daw.